Maxie and the magic mango. Maxie wanted a new bicycle, so he asked his dad for one.
Dad, can you buy me a new bicycle, please?
Sorry, Maxie. That's gonna cost a lot of money. If you want a new bike, you'll have to earn some money to pay for it.
What's money, Dad? And how do I earn it?
Here. This is money. It's $10 in singles. Count them to make sure it's all there.
Maxie began to count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10!
Great job, Maxie! Always count your money and keep it neat and organized.
Max Sr. hands Maxie an empty blue cookie tin.
From now on, I want you to save the money you earn in this cookie tin. Let's see if you can fill it to the top. I'm sure if you do, you will have enough money to buy a new bicycle.
But how can I earn some money, Dad?
I have an idea. Our mango tree is full of mangoes. Why don't you try selling some mangoes to the neighbors?
Maxie runs outside to the mango tree and begins picking mangoes off the ground.
Wait, son, only pick the ripe ones. The ripe ones are softer, yellow and red in color. The green ones are not ready to be picked yet.
Maxie filled a plastic grocery bag with ripe, yellow, and red mangoes he found on the
They
ground.
smell so good, Dad.
Maxie and his dad walked over to their neighbor Maria's house.
Okay, when we get there, I want you to knock on the door and tell Maria you're selling mangoes for $1.
Okay, Dad. ¿Quién es? It's Maxie. I'm selling mangoes for $1.
Ooh, those look great, Maxie. Is this a new business for you?
Yes, I'm selling mangoes to earn money for a new bicycle.
That's wonderful. I'll take 3.
Maxie smiled as he let Maria pick 3 mangoes from the bag and collected his $3. Maxie smiled and looked at his dad after completing his very first sale. Max Sr. gave him 2 big thumbs up.
That was fun, Dad. Let's sell more.
Maxie and his dad went all over the neighborhood selling mangoes to neighbors. Some wanted them big, others wanted them small. Some wanted red, others wanted yellow. A few people even wanted them green and unripe. Maxie started selling mangoes every day after school. When he ran out of mangoes that had fallen to the floor, he learned how to use the fruit picker, a long wooden stick with a basket at the end, to pluck mangoes from the tree. One neighbor even asked for a discount.
Can I have 4 mangoes for the price of 3?
Come on.
If giving a small discount helps you sell more mangoes, go ahead.
These are the sweetest mangoes you will ever taste. Buy 5, get 1 free. That is a deal.
Maxie started making deals. He began to give discounts to people who bought several mangoes at once.
How about 6 mangoes for $5? Or 10 for $8?
More mangoes sold meant more money in the cookie tin. And more money in the tin meant Maxie was getting closer to buying his new bike. After selling mangoes each day, Maxie and his dad would count all the money he earned and would then write down the total on a piece of paper. The cookie tin was filling up fast. Maxie had $1 bill, $5 bills, $10 bills, and even a few 20s also. Maxie felt proud. He didn't just learn how to earn money, he learned how to save it too. With the cookie tin finally filled with money, Maxie and his dad went to the store to buy his new bicycle.
I'm proud of you, Maxie!
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to see my next adventure.